there, GHF Farms family. It's your girl Pharmacy, and I am here at the farm today with plumber Greg, who is going to winterize our plumbing for me and give me some instruction on what I need to do. Oops, let me go grab my mask. What do I have? Wait. I got one. I usually keep one in my pocket. Hold on, y'all. Oh, look at this little ryegrass popping up. Hold up. Y'all see this? Uh-oh. Y'all don't see it. Y'all see me. Look, y'all. Look at my ryegrass. I just saw it. So y'all just seeing it with me. Look at that. That's right. That's right, ryegrass. Looks good. Looks good. All right. So yeah, instead of just having someone else do it or relying on what I learned on YouTube, I want to actually learn how to do it myself. Hello.
Hey, how you, man?
I'm well. That's extra bulb, okay. All right. How you doing?
All right. I brought you a couple bulbs.
Okay. Appreciate it. So, Greg went ahead and purchased the supplies. Because I've been busy, y'all. I didn't have time to go. I didn't feel like it. I was just like, go ahead and pick it up for me. What's that stuff?
Yeah, that thing looks like...
What is that?
Oh, some of your mess.
It ain't some none of my mess.
That's gotta be.
That's some of your mess. You did the plumbing over here.
That white stuff?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is.
It looks like spit.
That thing must be hollow all the way down. We had that thing filled slap up there at one time, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
That's some more dirt over there.
It's not supposed to have all that water? No? Huh?
Never seen one like it. Yeah. It's all the way around.
Is it just that much water here?
I don't know. Thing's about 10 foot deep. We filled it up before.
How many feet deep?
I don't know how deep. Well, we put dirt and put
Ooh, you stepping in that stuff.
Ooh. Hey, what is that?
I don't know.
Her stuff.
No, don't put it on me. You was over here.
We just got here.
Yeah, but you was over here before I was. It's gross. Like animal spit. Ew.
This little old thing here goes right down here if you ever take this cord out.
Okay.
Well, that right here on the side. Okay. I'll have to do something with that access cord. Anyway. This thing won't, I better plug it up, make sure that it works without.
Is it going to be okay with all this water over here?
Well, I'm going to stick it down in there. Make sure. Don't think about plugging into that daggum GFI. That thing could trip off. You know what I mean? That thing puts heat, and you got to be sure whatever kind of bulb you got, you feel the heat coming off on.
So it needs to be one of those old school bulbs.
The new kind don't put no heat on.
Okay, so it can't be like an energy efficient one. It has to be
been to people's house. I said, why you got that plugged in? Well, that won't let it freeze. I said, go fill that bulb. And I said, you feel there any heat coming off? No. And I said, no. I said, well, how do you think it's going to keep anything from freezing?
Exactly. Okay.
I said, this ain't going to come on right now till it gets cold.
Oh, the light. Oh, is that what that little sensor box is?
That's why I gave you that paper a while ago.
Oh, in my hand. Oh. Okay. Okay. So you plug that in, and then it will only come. So you set the temperature on it?
It does itself.
Oh.
So it
okay.
tells you right there. It comes on when it gets down to 30, 35 or something.
Okay. Yeah, 35 degrees.
And whenever it heats up in there to 45, it cuts off. So it ain't sitting there running all the time.
Perfect.
That's a decent place to put this thing. It ain't gonna much matter as long as it's in there. And this rock, the rock doesn't require this, but it's just an extra safety. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Safety first.
Because it does get very cold.
Who dug yours?
Well, Brown. Brown, yeah. Huh?
She's doing that. I checked when mine never seen a well do that.
Okay. I definitely am. They will be getting a call.
I mean, that thing, last time we stuck a pipe down there, that's probably 10 foot down on it. Yeah, we filled in and filled. We went over there and got dirt, you know. Guess you scoop up some more of that dirt there.
Yeah.
Rock
I would definitely.
Yeah.
I would definitely.
Rock would be a good thing to put there, but we don't want to steal all the rock. I see this gravel stuff.
From when that's from when they did it. But like, where is the water coming from? Is it my well that's constantly pumping water or something?
Well, I don't know how deep your water level is down there.
It's
Should be. We've had so much rain, it's probably coming to us like that water there, and it's running in there and filling up.
Okay.
That's groundwater, and that ain't the best thing to. Normally, you have a concrete slab.
Yeah.
You know, we talked about that, but you don't never listen to nobody.
No, that is not. That's not how the conversation went. The conversation
was money.
Was I said no. I said, okay, I want to be as economically feasible. I said, but I also don't want any problems down the line. And you said we can fill this in, and I went ahead and did blah blah blah.
We did, you know.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was going to do that again.
Okay. Had I known that this was a possibility, then I would have said, let's pour a slab.
Consider digging that out. See, right here, you're up on them blocks. You need to you need those slabs setting up that high, so that any water here is going to sort of in a bad place right here. You know what I mean? If it rains, all of it's going to run right over here, ain't it? Way the ground sort of slopes.
Okay.
You're probably going to need to put a pad here.
Okay.
If you do a
well, I'm gonna call Brown first to see.
Yeah, you can ask them about that. I mean, I've never seen one do that.
Exactly. That's why I'm gonna call him.
And what I would be concerned about is if this sleeve goes all the way down. I mean, you ain't had no water issues. Everything's been working fine.
Yeah. Water pressure's great.
I would be concerned that if it keeps collapsing like that, where's that going? Is it filling in the bottom of the well?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, that's a good question. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never seen one do that before.
All right. Oh, that's why they're tape.
Yeah.
Tape means don't turn them on.
Oh, not till you get ready to use them. You're a long way from using them. See, they ain't got no water in them, and you ain't got to worry about them freezing like that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, now these go to the house?
That one has got house road on the side, on the bottom. See house road on it?
I do now.
Yeah, if you stand right here.
Yeah, I see. Okay, house.
House. And that's future. I wrote future in red.
Future greenhouse. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going to be a minute.
Greenhouse.
Okay.
And two on the bottom. All these other ones, see the handles are running with the pipe.
Okay.
That means they're on. When it's running against the pipe like the bottom ones, that means they're off.
Oh.
When you turn it like this, that's off.
Okay.
Running against the pipe. And this is all over. Now this is number one hydrant. I think this is number one right here, right? And we're going to turn it off, right? Ain't that what you want?
Yep.
Have you been using that hose?
I've used it a couple of times.
I mean, you don't leave it on there, do you?
No.
The
Wait.
hose right there.
This hose? Yeah.
Because that'll freeze and bust.
Oh. Okay.
Well, you know, I talked to you about whenever you use that to be sure to, when you get ready to turn that off, hold the water and let the pressure off so it ain't filling the ground back up with water. Remember talking about that?
I do, but I didn't remember it. I mean, I remember now that you mentioned it, but I didn't remember before. So you said when I turn this off.
Walk back up like here. You say you got it running. You're using this hose.
Okay.
You got it running and you're water. Well, when you cut it off here, you know, when you turn this handle off, open this one up and let the pressure off so that whenever, because if you don't, that pressure is going to run right back down in the ground. You understand?
Okay.
Because when you push this handle down, it opens up that drain hole. And then and all this pressure here, you know, and you'd be surprised how much pressure it is off this hose. But if you relieve this pressure and then turn that handle off,
okay.
so if you just turn this off and leave it down on the ground, when you go turn that off, all that pressure goes right back. That's just more water in the ground.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. I gotta remember that.
And now we've got that turned off. Maybe it was the other one. Turn off the. I thought that had green.
Number one hydrant.
All right, this number two hydrant here. Which one's got green? Any one's got green house on it?
Yeah, the bar.
Number two. Turn the number two on. No.
So this is 3. And which one is?
Cuts it up.
Okay, number 3. Oh, so it's 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Well, it says 1.
Then 2 is under.
I don't know how
Yeah.
you got that number.
I got it. 1, 2, 3. So 3.
He's fixing to write that, ain't number 1.
Okay. So 1 hydrant. Okay.
All right, so that one, which one, the bottom one? No, the
3.
middle one.
Middle one, number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah. Turn it back on and come back on, you'll know for sure.
Yeah. Number 3.
Turn it on.
Well, more right over here. Oh, this right here, hose down there, it's in the greenhouse. I'm going to put this up. What I'm talking about.
Okay.
All right, number 3 is this hydrant here at the greenhouse. Okay, that's the greenhouse. Number 2, the hydrants at the garden. Okay.
Okay.
All 3 of these are hydrants. You got 3 hydrants.
Okay.
Number 1 is close to the house. Number 2 is close to the garden, and number 3 is this one right here at the greenhouse. Okay.
All right.
Maybe that'll make it
So we're
better.
just leaving 1 on.
Yeah, she's going to turn this one off, and we're going to open up that spigot inside.
Well, that's done right there.
That weep hole at the bottom of that hydrant, we'll let that one in there. When we open that spigot up in there, it's going to let it drain off.
Okay.
It'll drain off in the ground. Instead of
Okay.
having you have to worry about vacuuming. I thought about that, and I thought, well, shoot, this one's drain by itself if we open it up. I'll reach in here and open it up, yep. Find the handle. Oh, yeah. There you go. So all this is just that. See there? That's your handle.
Okay.
And that's open like that. Now, you be sure that if you turn it on, you come over here and turn that off before you turn it on, or else it's going to run water in there.
Okay. Okay.
Right now, you can leave this one open and leave that one open.
Okay.
And it'll let the water drain off down there, and you won't have to worry about that freezing up. And you ain't going to be using this anyway.
Yes, no.
Turned off, okay?
And then that one's warmed up, and we're okay down here.
Yep, we'll put that cover back on.
Okay. All right.
Let that thing set for a couple of weeks and see if that darn hole goes back down. If it does,
Well,
Okay.
if you cement it, you'll eliminate that problem.
With the slab, or if I just put some cement in there?
Cement, do a slab.
Okay.
You want to do a slab as big as that well house.
Okay.
Is your spider still kicking?
Uh-huh.
You seen it?
Well, new version. It's been a couple of weeks, but they out here
Oh, they are?
somewhere. Yeah, she
Oh,
over.
she lucky
You
she
can look and
lives.
see all her little.
Well, they don't live but just so long. I don't know how long.
Yo, it's probably a new generation. But I just
does that light, it would come on automatic?
Yeah, when it gets cold, it ain't gonna come on now. I'll check the bulb, make sure that it all is on.
all right.
All's
Awesome.
good.
All's good.
You a lucky woman.
How am I lucky?
Pick the best plumber in North Carolina. No, I got this.
You know what? You are a blessed man
This
that
one.
I picked you.
I got this.